All right, let's try dividing with exponents. Well, it turns out that if the bases match, there is a shortcut. But let me show you why it works the way it does. First of all, x to the 10th power, oh boy, I have to write that out, 10 times. And then x to the 3rd power. And so naturally, each pair of x's cancel out, one over the other. Here's one, cancels out. And so what I'm left with are 7 x's multiplying together. So we simplify that by writing it this way. Well, again, somebody noticed this nice shortcut. If the bases match, you're going to keep the base, and then you take the top exponent and subtract the bottom exponent. So 10 minus 3 is 7, and that gives you the new answer. So let's see what that looks like with numbers rather than variables. Let's try 354 to the power of 8 divided by 354 to the power of 10. Again, if the instructions say to simplify, we don't have to worry about calculating it. We're just going to tidy it up. We're going to rewrite it. So I'm going to, because the bases match, I'm going to keep that base of 354, and then I take always the top exponent minus the bottom exponent, and that will give us our simplified answer. So we keep the base, and then 8 minus 10 is -2. It's very important that you keep the order correct. So it's, again, the top minus the bottom one, and if it happens to give you a negative, so be it. This is your answer. In some instructions, it will tell you that you have to rewrite it so that there is no longer a negative exponent. That's a whole nother rule, a whole nother set of steps. Right now, if the instructions just say simplify, you can actually stop right there. This is the answer. Later on, it'll get a little more demanding when it asks you to go further with that. But this is the pattern that you can always follow. Keep the base and subtract. And whatever you get is the new exponent.